The vision of 𝐀𝐝𝐬𝐬𝐢𝐨𝐧𝐬 Pharmacy is to produce quality healthcare professionals. We conducted many programs regarding healthcare, blood testing and cancer awareness programs. Strength of the College of Pharmacy is faculty. We have functional MOUs with nearly more than 35 of the industries in and around. Majority of our students, they were working as a formulation scientists. We make sure that all the students are equipped with professional competencies and comprehensive knowledge and the desirable skills.
As an international student, they provided me a nice hospitality. In my department, we deal with project, internships and a lot of theoretical as well as practical things. Also, we deal with many projects. From our department, we went to various villages and seek for the people who we check their blood pressures and all those minor things, but we'll be dealing in the pharmacy.
𝐀𝐝𝐬𝐬𝐢𝐨𝐬 University was actually a dream come true. Coming to the faculty is a supportive system, starting from the teaching, the instruction, the examination, papers, corrections. They are superb and they are always on point. The rules and guidance, they help me achieve my goals.